One of the owner. The one who has big shareholder. Big shareholder. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Can you feel the love tonight? Ano po yun? Ano po yun? Ano po yan, madam? Pumpkin soup. Ang init-init lang sa soup na ito, punyeta. Dapat halo-halo in order nyo. Ayan, pumpkin soup. It's nice. Ay, ang sarap ng soup. Madam, dandahan, mainit pa. Wala? Okay. Order ako ng lechong kawali. Pork ako, oo. Pork ako, pork. Nakapa ko ng pork.
So why did you order this if you're allergic?
For everyone.
Ganyan naman siya lang. She ordered for everyone.
I ordered chicken adobo, but